Ladies and gentlemen, today I will go over my C8 Corvette damage update and what these repairs may cost. Hello everyone and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today I am here to give you an update on my C8 Corvette and what I'm doing about the damage. I'm actually on my way to Classic Chevrolet's body shop. Corvette World recommended a body shop, but it's really far and it's just a big hassle to go all the way over there and have my car that far away. So I'm taking it to Classic Chevrolet's body shop. It's supposed to be a absolutely amazing shop, and they're going to take a look at it today. They're going to have their #1 technician who has seen damage like this before take a look at it and kind of give me a rough idea of what it's going to take to fix it and how long it'll take to fix it. So real quick, before we get into the video though, please smash that thumbs up button. That really helps the YouTube algorithms, and my thumbs up squad has been amazing. So thank you so much for doing that. Also, if you don't want to miss a single one of these videos, make sure to smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. To the Classic Chevrolet Collision Center here. I came in the back because I missed the front turn in. But this is it. So I'm here at the collision center and they're putting it up on the rack so I can take pictures and send to the insurance company, and also give us kind of a rough estimate of what we're looking at here. Alright, so there wasn't much to show there. They really didn't talk that much about what was going on. Then at the end I was able to get some information out of Kevin, who heads up this operation. He basically said it's going to be a little bit to get the parts. We're going to go ahead and order all the parts today. So he'll give me an update as soon as he can, as soon as they know how long it's going to take to get them and when they'll all be here. But he did say that they are going to have to replace the front tub. So that whole section in there. And I guess if it's anything like the C7 rear tub, it's in 2 different pieces, so it's a pretty big deal. They're going to have to order that. They're going to have to replace every single piece underneath, every shield that was damaged underneath, including that side piece over there on the passenger side by the wheel. And obviously they're going to have to replace the ACS composite front splitter, and so there's quite a bit to do. He said a ballpark super rough estimate is about $9,000 to $10,000, so it's double what I was thinking it might be, almost triple what I was thinking. I thought $3,500, maybe $4 grand, so it's up there. And then the other thing is he said once they do get all the parts and they get my car in, they're going to do everything they can to fix it as fast as possible and they were 100% okay with me coming in there on a daily basis and actually filming the whole process. So you guys are going to get to have some really cool footage of exactly what has to be done to replace that front trunk area, the frunk. Now the rest of it is just body panels, or not, underside panels, not body panels. Those should be pretty cut and dry. Just unscrew them and put brand new ones up there. But that area where you saw the fiberglass all messed up, that's going to be something. They're going to have to probably take the front end all apart. There's going to be a bunch of pieces to that, as far as screws and different things they have to take off to get to that. Plus, it's all glued in. So it's going to be a tedious process probably. So you guys will get to see all of that. Now, the last thing that he told me, which is great news, is that it's not going to hurt to drive this. It's not going to mess anything up any worse to drive it. It's not unsafe to drive it. So that's all really great news. I was very happy to hear that. Now, he said, obviously, because that's all open under there, if I drove it in the rain, it's going to soak the inside of my frunk. But you guys already know I don't drive in the rain. I do everything I can to make sure and look at the weather. So even if there's a pretty good chance of rain, I ain't going out. So that's not going to happen, but I will continue to drive my car. Sounds like it's going to be a little bit before I can get it in the shop, but that's it. I wanted to give you all the information. So again, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, or multiple comments, on what you guys think of everything I just told you. And if you don't want to miss a single one of these videos, make sure to smash that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and I guess I will be seeing you out on the road soon.